After years of rumors, the iPhone Fold might finally become real, and early leaks suggest it could give Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 a serious competition. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Fans have been waiting forever for Apple to enter the foldable phone game, and now we're finally getting some hints about design, features, and specs that could change the foldable market forever. First of all, let's talk about battery life. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a 4,400 mAh battery, the iPhone Fold will come with 5,500 mAh, making it the largest battery ever in an iPhone. That means longer screen time for gaming, streaming, and scrolling without worrying about running out of it. In the camera area, Apple may simplify things with just 2 lenses instead of Samsung's 3, adding only wide and ultra-wide lenses. But don't worry, the new camera control feature could make shooting photos and videos way easier. You will be able to adjust zoom, exposure, and settings with a single touch. The button layout is getting a makeover too. The volume button might go on the top edge and the power button and camera control on the right, freeing space for that massive battery. Color is the area where Apple is not paying attention in this. It'll be coming probably just in white plus one more shade, but the black camera block will contrast nicely with the rest of the phone. Dynamic Island makes the cut too, though smaller than on other iPhones, and the phone will rely on Touch ID instead of Face ID. With all these rumors waiting to become reality, Apple is bringing a foldable phone that's sleek, powerful, and totally Apple, and a serious rival to Samsung's Z Fold 7. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.